Have you ever dragged your aching, coughing body to the doctor's office, waiting an hour, only to be interrogated by a med student and then get a simple script after a 3-minute talk with the doctor? Did you think afterwards, what a rip that was? Well, the AMA agrees with you. They reported over 70% of emergency room visits could be avoided and solved by a simple phone call. What if you were traveling? Perhaps you're unemployed, a 1099 employee, or are worried because you have high deductibles or limited coverage? Are you a senior or worried about your senior loved ones who might need medical advice now? Maybe you're not too anxious about spending hours in the ER or crowded waiting rooms among other sick folks. If you were a 1%er, you'd have your own personalized medical team on call 24/7, wouldn't you? Just in case. What do you think that would set you back? What if I told you that a medical solution and peace of mind can be yours and within reason? How about as little as $19.95 a month? We can help. We're MD Global. We're not insurance. We're not the medical system. We're a bridge to doctors, nurses, and professionals, stepping outside a broken system because we know you need real care now. We provide access to healthcare professionals 24/7. Across our bridge, your whole family can have MD Global 24-hour access to many concierge services right at your fingertips. Download MD Global mobile application and get access to your member benefits 24/7 anywhere you go. The free pharmacy discount card on the app will get you great savings in the pharmacies nearest you. Don't delay. Visit us now at www.mdglobal.com. MD Global, changing healthcare, changing lives.